Hi guys, I just wanted to do a video on the 2016 Challenger Shaker edition. It doesn't have too much aftermarket in it. It's got mid-pipe delete, it's got the taser and coils, so not too much. I got this car from Copart. It looked in relatively good shape till I got it home. The frame was totaled, the oil pan gone, engine seized. So I ended up fixing it in my backyard, basically, no garage. And I've put about 12,000 miles on it since then. It's got 61,000 now, and it runs great. I found the owner in the Uconnect, the previous owner, and they had just sold it like 4 months before to a dealership for 40,000. And somebody must have bought it, put 12,000 miles on it, and crashed it. So the previous owner was a woman that was in the army. But I love the car. I noticed that it is faster than the 2018 models. Now that could be, I've got an aftermarket frame in it, and it was lighter than the stock frame, and I did do aftermarket A-arms, so it does have a little bit of weight reduction to it. But man, I can do just on 245s like a 4.1, 0 to 60, 9 second, 0 to 100. And a quarter mile, it's like a low 12.7, something like that. But I do plan on doing some stuff to it, like Whipple, forging everything internal, doing a fuel system, a 3-rail fuel system, and long tubes. What else am I gonna do? Heads ported, polished, and new springs, cam, get it all done up, and it should make around like 900. I'm gonna keep it turned down to around 7 until I get the transmission changed to an HP 90, because these can only handle about like 600 horsepower for any reliability anyways. I'm sure you can put more to it, but I love the car. It goes great. I mean, as you can see, it just, even the corners, this car just handles so good. I love the thing, but it goes really good. It's fast. I do like sport mode better than track, because you can't disable the traction completely in track mode on this. Only in sport you can disable it completely, which is pretty cool. I unhooked the exhaust, the active exhaust valves, so it does get an engine light code for that, because the models prior to 2018 do get engine codes, but that doesn't bother me. I know what it's for, so who cares. I do plan on getting the actual springs and stuff, but it did have a broken active exhaust, and they're like $500, and it's just not that important to me. I'd rather get some graphics, and who cares about the engine light for now. It's got lights on all the time anyways for the traction. Which, is that normal, guys, to have 2 traction spots on? One I can turn off if I turn the traction control on, but the other one's just on all the time. This does have the LSD 309 rear end in it, so she is pretty vicious in a burnout. I love this car. I wanted one so bad. I bought the 6-cylinder. It was an SE. I knew nothing about them. I was told it was a SXT. I got it, found out it was a 3.5, completely gutless. I couldn't even spin the 22s on dirt. Had big 22-inch rims on it with 305s on the back, 265s on the front. Looked nice, but gutless. I mean, I've driven Priuses that had more power than that. But this thing, it really just goes so good. does break the sound barrier once you get it up in the RPMs. So can't hear it that good, but this road's not really good. There's not too much drone in the car, a little bit. If I put it in track mode, it doesn't really have any if the RPMs stay up, but it really does go good. And that's just barely touching the gas, just coming onto it a little bit. 280, 100, like nothing. It does start to whistle around 130, this window, the passenger's window. But this car has the full sunroof. It's got the Alcantara suede seats. I've put lights all on the inside. You can't see them, so that looks good at night. It's got wheel well lights. It's really a sharp looking car. It's the granny metallic gray. And man, it just looks good. I put Hellcat rims on it. So yeah, it just really looks good. I stuck mostly stock. I was gonna keep it stock. I just wanted to have the 245s just for burnouts, but I guess I could do 275s and still be spinning. But thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. I do a lot of short uploads if you guys want to see. Check it out. I'm trying to make the channel grow. Just basically about my life, my days, working, having fun, cars, all kinds of stuff. But it would definitely help if you guys liked, shared, subscribed, and, you know, just follow along. Thank you.